It is the chapel bell at this university in Nashville. How many chapels have we visited around the country? Whether they were public institutions, such as Arizona State University, University of Pittsburgh, across from the Hines Chapel was the Cathedral of Learning. This chapel bell has a little bit more significance. It is the chapel bell tower of Belmont University. And it is not just a regular chapel bell, it was the first Carillon bell in Tennessee.